Good morning. Here I have another tiny treasure that I have been painting. I'm really enjoying painting on this size. It's about half the size of what I normally paint, and it has been a lot of fun experimenting with colors, with composition, and just having the time to paint something so small. It's been very good. So I wanted something a little bit different. I wanted to play with light. I don't play with light in this way very much in my paintings. I wanted to leave a lot of the paper white instead of blotting out the color like I normally do. So this is just a little experiment. I'm not sure if I like the result, but I'm happy to have tried it. So come along for the ride, and if you want to check out any tiny treasures that you want to have a look at on my website, a couple of them are listed. I don't list all of them because it's just a very personal thing. I like some of them and I don't like others, so I won't list them. So go and check out my website if you're interested in having a look at some of the tiny treasures over there. Thanks everyone.